Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, I have some friends from Rwanda with me, and actually take them over to Village Market. You know what I mean? It's the first time in Village Market, and you know what I mean. Them are Ricardo over there, so have fun. Them are slogan have fun right now, as you can see, family. So. You know what I mean? This is just for Jam Tours.
Oh,
the tour,
hi guys.
the tour with Jam Tours. You know, how you guys experience Jam Tours so far?
Yeah.
How you guys experience Jam Tours so far?
Jam Tours is amazing.
Yeah.
As you can see, he's already like, I'm Kenyan, but he's already taking me to a
us
place
in
in Kenya. So yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's amazing. And I just want to keep in contact with Jam Tours because guys, you know, I don't know if you watched the previous
Trip,
vlog,
yeah.
because we are looking forward to go to Jamaica.
Yeah, we're taking them to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
for all of you guys that want to book, make sure you book from now because these ladies are going to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So, all of the Jamaican single guys, look out, they're coming. They're coming for you.
Bringing African queens for your family. So,
Yeah.
them have vibe with
We're
slogan.
10 girls,
Yeah.
10 ladies.
Yeah.
Let's go. We bring 10 ladies to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you guys better be ready. From Rwanda to Kenya to South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Tanzania. We're bringing 10 ladies to Jamaica.
All the way to Jamaica.
All right. All right, fellas. Them have vibe with slogan. I'm going to go on vibe. Let me check out my brother here, so, and see where them are dealing with family. So, we're there at Village Market, the first time in Village Market. Introduce yourself, my brother.
Yo, what's up guys? This is Vikazo Traveler and we are here at the Village Market with Jam Tours
Jam Tours Africa.
Oh, Jam Tours Africa.
Yeah, fam, it's the first time in Village Market and we're gonna chop up some video
Yeah.
and stuff. You're from Rwanda. Where in Rwanda you from?
I'm from Kigali, the capital
Kigali.
city. Yes.
Yeah, man. Okay. So you know how clean this is.
Very clean.
How
I
clean is-
invited you to come and visit, right?
Yeah.
You find a lot of Jamaicans there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you find a Village Market it's clean, right? 'Cause you're from the cleanest city.
Yeah, it's very
Very
beautiful,
clean.
this place. Yeah,
Yeah,
very
man.
nice.
All right, family. So we're gonna do some vlog, and this is outside Village Market, as you can see. You know what I mean? Outside Village Market, we have the KFC there, so we have a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? So this is Village Market. This is a UN vehicle, red plate. When I see red plate in Kenya, you know it's United Nations people family. So we're outside, and you know what I mean? Ricardo vibes up the place with the Rwandans, guess them. So
Nowhere like the queen, and she know me are the one king and queen. Everybody have the style and pattern and thing. Everybody want to know I'm on the fashion and thing. That's right. Come on. Freestyle.
a real style and a deal style.
This is how we do it. One Love Africa, aka slogan, right here with Jamrock and my friend Noel.
Yeah.
And we have my next YouTuber guy over here.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
You guys are from Rwanda.
yeah. So the Rwanda people are here, the Kenyan people and the Jamaicans are here.
Yeah.
We're like,
Hey, guys, we are here. In
we're creating a kingdom.
Kingdom, yeah.
Kingdom. So Jam Tours and just call it Jam Tours because we are part of the team.
Yeah.
We'll pave the way for everyone. As you can see, this girl is the African queen, the one with the camera, and she already know about Kenya.
Yeah.
And we're still showing her some more places about Kenya.
Yeah.
Jam Tours Africa doing that. Yeah, man.
Yes,
So if you want to link up, just link up One Love Africa or Jam Tours. Okay, I'll show you guys around, get you guys your paper, your documents.
Yeah.
But for now, we're there to freestyle, I shot some video. So here we are, Cinnamon, a crossbred family. Yeah, man. That's it. So,
Yeah.
where want we start now? Talk to me now.
Okay.
Let's start some video.
So, hello guys, welcome back to It's Nowhere YouTube channel. As
Yeah,
you
man.
see, we are here in Village Market and I'm with
One
this
Love
guy
Africa,
from
aka Ricardo.
Jamaica. Guess what,
Yeah,
guys?
man.
Today I'm going out with the Jamaican guy.
We're going out on the first date.
Yeah. So what do you think about us, guys? Just say something in the comment. And
Yeah,
I'm
man.
surprised he's taking me to this place.
Okay.
It's my first time to come here, and
Yeah,
I'm
man.
so
We're
excited.
taking her around.
Yeah.
And
Let's see what's
just say
going
hi
on.
to my people.
What you know? Wagwan, my peeps from Rwanda. wherever you're watching, all the Jamaicans, people that's in Rwanda, all the Jamaicans that's in Jamaica, America, Canada, UK, Scotland, wherever it is, it doesn't matter. Peace, love, and unity. I will take in our African princess here to show her some places. This is Village Market, and this is my market, Jam Tours Market.
Okay.
This will show her around, and as from tonight, you know what, let me keep that part. Yeah. No. Let me keep that part. No, that's
Okay.
let's know, so stay tuned. And once you say, oh, watch this girl, like, subscribe. Do not just like, subscribe. Do not just subscribe.
Share.
Do not just
Share. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
No, watch. Do not just watch.
Click.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. And make sure you hand up on the bell. When you get the bell, you get a poof. One more
Okay, guys,
thing.
so let's go and see what he's going to show me. And we are here. So, which way are we going?
We're going
This way.
Oh. Okay,
So,
so let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Follow Jam Tours.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, there I One Love Africa. Go subscribe and share his channel. You know what I mean? Continue watching this vlog, family. We're actually going into
It's dark, yeah?
Walking.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's walk nice.
first date.
Yeah, together.
A Jam Tour.
Yeah. Family, don't take this serious. We are acting. We are acting a movie right here.
No, we're for Ramish. Jamaica money cause problem.
Yeah, we are acting, family. So you know what I mean. Let's go inside Village Market, and you know what I mean. With our Rwandan, you know, travelers.
Coming from our dinner date. So we don't need KFC.
Alright, so we're gonna go inside, yeah? The entrance here. Yeah, family, so we're at a village market, and them say a Father's Day.
Father's Day special.
You don't remember Father's Day unless you're coming at the mall. But we have to just, you know what I mean, just pave the way.
Fathers don't give you respect and
Yeah. So we there, we're gonna demand the respect, family. So it's Father's Day, not Skechers.
remember for all our shoes.
Father's Day at Village Market, family. I bought this Clark's in this way in a slogan.
Which one?
The Clark store, this up.
I'm gonna say it.
Yeah,
Must be a little bit money for
right,
that.
that's so. You pay like 12k feet.
Oh,
12k for that Clark's, yeah.
come on.
In a Clark's.
12K no man.
Yeah, for the Clark's, yeah. Clark's. Wallaby, is that this is a new
20% off.
20% Father's Day.
The accessories, shoes, care, products.
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, family, so we're at a village market, and you know what I mean.
So you've been coming here several.
Yeah, we come here all the time, you know, for like, you know what I mean, dinners and stuff. You know, just to shop. This is where we shop, at our village market. How you like the mall so far?
So this is my second, this is actually my fourth time in
Fourth
this
time?
mall, yeah.
Okay.
I've done blogging here. I've had a dinner here with some friends.
Okay,
It's amazing.
okay.
I love the fact that they have everything from local to international.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's one of the malls that when you visit Kenya, you can find anything that you want.
Yeah, internationally.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, the international stores, Skechers, all these other stores are here, family. So, you know what I mean? So, yeah, family. So, you're here with Jam Tours. Like, share, and comment. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know when you're coming to Kenya. Let me know when you want Jam Tours to pick you up, family. So, continue watching this vlog, like and share. We're at the village market, and if you like ice cream, we have the Cold Stone ice cream right there. For people who like ice cream, it's an international chain of ice cream. It's Cold Stone. Continue watching this vlog, guys, while we go. Ricardo, them almost give me the brand ambassadorship for Clarks.
Yeah. Everybody have to
That's
ask
where
when
we
we
get
get
the
the clocks. The leather soft. This way hard. The toothbrush get out the dust fast. Yeah, man.
Yeah, family, this is Clarks Kenya. So when you come in Kenya, you need to. You guys have some new sneakers type of line here, like. I never know you Clarks make these things. And it's for 16,000.
What is the other one you bought? What is it? Sardine?
Yeah, I'm wearing it now.
Oh, nice. You need some polish for the shoes?
You guys have suede polish here. I have another one that is suede.
Yeah.
I would love to get the polish for that.
You get the polish for this one.
Yeah.
This one. And how?
Okay, yeah?
This one.
Okay, this one.
It's very nice, yeah.
Okay, just put it.
Soft leather.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have the suede polish too? The one for suede?
Yeah, the one for suede, this one, and this one.
Or them also an offer too? How much for both of them? I'm gonna buy.
Okay.
Because I have a suede Clarks and it look wash out sometimes, so you know what I mean. I'd love to.
Some offers, you'll get some offers, let me see.
I'll get like 60% off. 20%, not even 50. Yeah, I have 2 kids, so I should get 2 times 2.
Yeah, 20%.
Okay.
880.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
So
Instead of-
total is how much?
Okay, let me give you that.
So I have to get that one too?
Yeah. The total is 2,930.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
I'll come Father's Day. I'll maybe tell my wife to come and get me some cleaning thing.
problem.
Yeah, so you know where to get this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up, man. One love. You know what I mean? And we support Clarks.
Make sure to check out the channel, yo.
Yeah, one love Africa.
Yeah, man.
All right, family, let's go. Oh, they're not a wallaby here.
No, I want to be a service there.
Sorry, it's saying, all right, cool.
Long time they jump down.
All right, guys, 20% off at Clarks. Come check them out for Father's Day in a Kenya village market. Let's go. I feel like in Europe.
I feel like I'm in Europe. Nairobi is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hear that, guys? So when you come in, you know, Kenya is a spot. Show up and show up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ricardo, come in now. Together. Yeah, family. So when you come with Jam Tours, these are some of the perks you get as a content creator. You get to make video with us for free.
You know, it's Father's Day, and I present discount, so I want to make sure that I can clear the price. Because we gotta get my Father's Day present from now. So I walk to village markets.
Yeah.
So you're not even showing me now, like tell me this is
You're not interested in these things. So let's
Yeah.
this one.
Let's do walking. First place, bowls and so.
Oh, what happened here?
First, the bowls stone, they have ice cream.
Oh, they have
Cold,
ice cream.
Cold Stone.
So, ice cream cake, waffles with ice cream, sprinkles, stuff like that.
Slogan, I remember ice cream cake in Jamaica. We used to eat that a lot on Sunday
I
evening.
never like it still.
You never like it?
No, so we have that one favorite.
Ice cream
Jamaican
cake.
You
Yeah.
don't like the ice cream?
No, I love this. The ice cream cake.
You ever tried this one before?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cold
Okay.
Stone is good. But
Yeah.
ice cream cake, wicked money, wicked. But.
Yeah, family. So you see what is happening, guys. When you come with Jam Tours, you actually get a chance to get content for free with us. So if you're a content creator, you can book a tour with Jam Tours and you'll get content for free. So continue watching this vlog while we go. As you know, guys, Village Market even has free Wi-Fi. As you can see, free Wi-Fi.
We have African food, good Jamaican man like me. That's how you treat woman. That's how Jamaican man treat woman nice.
Do you think you treat women nice more than African men?
Of course.
Why?
First thing first. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want anyone to beat the beer. But we do treat women more respect than African men. But big up the African kings them and the prince who are trying to do the right thing. Jamaican men is so loving, passionate when it comes to love.
Oh, wow.
He's so passionate, some of us are insecure. Jealous.
Why?
Huh?
Why is that?
Because in Jamaica,
Passionate.
we like to say, other guys that flirt with our girl. Like,
Yeah.
I don't want to be having my woman and she on the road. It's disrespect to me if you know, say, yo, you're my girlfriend. And when I see you on the road, guy, you stop and give the guy your number or you smile at the guys and stuff like that. But one thing leads to another.
So that means,
Jamaica, all one can't do
that means that you are not allowing women to smile.
No, it's just they smile, but you can't be flirting with guys.
Smiling is not flirting.
Let me tell you something about alright, Billy. Jamaica. You see, in Jamaica. No, in Jamaica, you can talk to anyone you want. We, Jamaica man, it's okay if you're not girl and she's talking to anyone, it's free. You understand? We don't eat women like that. You have some Jamaican men that are toxic. Very toxic. They abuse you verbally, physically,
Yeah, family.
and spiritually.
Let's go. Continue watching this vlog while we
Still,
go.
Let's keep enjoying the mall. Oh, you guys are already done.
Yeah. Slogan, where you see I go on? How the date?
show them around. I'm showing them around so
Yeah.
they can see what's going on. People don't take these things serious.
Yeah, it's just
It's just a friendly thing for videos. They're just acting. Yeah, so show the ladies the first time for a Rwanda lady in Kenya.
yeah.
First time she's coming to the small village market.
Yeah.
It's our place. You guys
Yeah.
see countless video with it, so
Yeah.
let's show them some more.
Let's show them
And
some more,
remember,
yeah.
It's not serious.
And I'm actually changing team here.
Yeah.
Remember I went to Valentine's team?
And yeah, every season.
Every season they change the
because
team.
Halloween.
Oh,
is different.
Halloween.
Yeah,
Hallow-
Halloween,
yeah.
Valentine's and Christmas.
Yeah.
So every different season.
Yeah.
Change
They
it.
change the team, yeah.
So that's what I like about village market.
Yeah, well, I
So
did
if
that
you guys
store
want to
there.
do business,
Yeah.
this place is the right place to come
Yeah.
and rent a shop.
Shop.
The shop space is not that much. Maybe $1,000 US, 1,500 US.
Yeah,
and less.
Yeah.
You get a shop space. Here is high traffic,
High-
international customer, international people. So here's a good place to come and do business.
Yeah. Yeah, family. This is the village market with Jam Tours Africa live coming to you from Kenya. Come tour with us and you know what I mean, have a good time. iWorld.
I don't need them to be seen in my video. You don't want to be This is the death of two
After
people.
this, I will get a fat paycheck.
You should.
I should.
Wow. You know what I love here? I love the design. It's really beautiful.
It's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
Right?
Yeah,
Really fixed, but organized place.
yeah, it's really
Interior,
and
exterior,
I
very nice.
love the green wall. Everything is beautiful.
Is that you, right? You see, you kill the vibes again.
He's laughing like
No, you guys are- we're not
He's
geeking,
like,
we're not
no,
doing.
no, I was laughing. He's laughing.
Let me yeah, family. Slogan meet up when I'm subscribers. Yeah, man. Big up.
I think so.
Yeah, man.
He's always with me on my channel. That's why.
Big up, man. One love. God bless.
Always with me and him together.
I saw you in Morocco.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So where you from, man?
I'm from Kenya.
Oh, you're from Kenya.
Kenya, back and travel. Actually, I was in Jamaica last year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I took a break for the first
Okay.
time.
How was Jamaica?
How was it?
Nice.
It was nice.
Where did you guys go?
We did Ochi.
Ochi.
Montego Bay.
That's a nice place.
that's
That's really good.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You want to shout out to the Ultras people, them,
Yeah.
Montego Bay people, them, and the nigger beautiful sunset and white sand beach.
Yeah.
Portland next. You must
yeah.
check it out.
Yeah.
You saw me and One Love Africa. That's why you guys should subscribe. So can you tell us something
All the
about the
way, all
camera?
the way.
All the way.
Subscribe,
Subscribe. Yeah, man.
subscribe.
Big up, man. Big up.
Get involved, yo. Get
Yeah.
involved. Mike.
Mike.
Yeah, Mike.
Matthew.
Michael.
That's little Mike right there.
Little Mike. Little Mike. Yeah, so big Mike.
Big man.
All the way, man.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
That's
Big
up.
up. Big up, man. Big up. Big up.
Love,
Yeah, man.
bless.
What a love, man. Big
So
up.
yes, I shoot some clippings. You understand?
Yeah. It's the playground right here.
For Rwanda. You know what? I'm giving them some content.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what's up.
yeah.
Hey man, it's a small world, but it's one
Yeah,
world.
it's one, yes, one world. Yeah, man, big up, big up, big up.
Jam rock, you know.
Yeah, I'm coming through.
Yeah, yeah.
Next restaurant,
Oh, I still see
coming
it.
up. Next location coming up.
Managed water hitting too, right?
Managed water.
Oh, yeah.
So water, they get that from me differently.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
They
yeah.
don't sell it, but I cook it. But at my new restaurant,
Yeah.
we'll get it to Jamaican restaurant. You can get managed water.
What about
But
that?
jam rock will link up.
You take his,
Boring. Then I take the game.
yeah. Yeah, family, I was just telling her that, you know, when you come to Kenya,
No, I know, like,
First finish with
when you come to Kenya, there's so much content, but you have to have someone to take you around.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's where jam tours come in place. So
Yeah.
if you just come by yourself, you're gonna just maybe get bored.
yeah,
But if you have-
you will not know where to go actually.
Yeah, yeah, to get the content.
Yeah.
So
And the thing is, Jam tours is a vibe. I've come to this mall several times,
Yeah.
but I haven't had such fun as I am having today. you
and that's
I'm
the thing.
enjoying.
When you're around us, you feel the vibes to make video and everything just flow. You make exciting video. Yeah, yeah.
Like, I'm actually surprised because today we are able to film. I'm always like, I've never done a video in this mall because I'm like, it's not easy to film there.
Yeah.
So today with Jam tours, there's
Christian walk with
everything is
Jamaican.
possible.
Everything-
Everything is
Shower water way is
possible.
different.
Yeah.
So I'm coming back to vlog here all because of Jam tours.
Yeah.
So if you're looking forward to visit Kenya
Hey,
and
what
you don't
about
know where
Ricardo?
to start, and one love Ricardo,
Oh,
guys.
I don't want no more person. She go in.
One love Africa.
And one love Ricardo.
One
At
Love
least
Africa.
One love Africa.
So
They
make sure.
actually know more places. Like they know them all better than I do, and I'm the Kenyan here. So if you're looking forward to visit Kenya and you're a foreigner, or looking forward to move to Kenya and you need more, you know how to go about it from a foreigner's perspective. Definitely reach them out, and they will be of great help.
Yeah, family, say nothing. That's how you go. All right, guys, continue with the reality show. Yeah, family, so we at the Two Rivers Mall.
Oh, shot that picture ready, sir.
Slogan say more picture. I know Micha, I know Icha. What's this? It's like we any wonder so. Like we any wonder.